To keep your stone looking its best, you may want to occasionally clean your stone to remove dust or debris. Start by properly preparing your work area. Then rinse the stone with water to see if that removes the debris. If not, use a soft nylon brush along with warm water. If the warm water and nylon brush are not removing the debris, you can add a small amount of mild detergent to the warm water. Be sure to thoroughly rinse the stone after using the detergent to make sure no residue remains. When moisture is present behind the stone, it can migrate to the surface, depositing dissolved salts, which can create a white stain on the surface of the stone called efflorescence. Efflorescence may disappear on its own if the source of the moisture is controlled. Do not use acids, chemicals, pressure washing, sandblasting, wire brushes, or anything other than what is outlined in the cleaning instructions. Sealant is not recommended for ProVia manufactured stone. If you choose to use a sealer, use only a silane or siloxane-based breathable masonry sealer. Be sure to test the sealer on a small inconspicuous area first and strictly follow the sealant manufacturer's directions.